Today we're going to review the short E and short O sounds. The short E sound is eh, like in web, ed, bed, lead, red, ed, wed. Wed means married. Egg, peg, egg, beg, egg, keg, leg, hem, ben. Ben is a name, so it has a capital letter. Den, hen, men, pen, ten, yen, yet, bet, get, jet, let, met, net, pet, set, wet, best, nest, pest, rest, test, vest, west, zest, bell, fell, sell, tell, well, yell, end, bend, fend, tend, lend, send, mend, help, felt, melt, self, held. The short O sound is ah, on, odd, cob, job, sob. To sob means to cry. Mob, rob, cod. A cod is a type of fish. God, nod, pod, rod, sod. Sod is grass. Bog, cog, dog, fog, hog, log, mom, don, con, bop, cop, hop, mop, pop, top, cost, lost, dock, lock, mock, rock, sock, boss, loss, moss, toss, doll. Here are some names using the short E and short O sounds. Bob, Rob, Tom, Todd, Ed, Ted, Jen, Ben, Meg, Ned. Here are some of my other videos. I have the Syllable Division Boot Camp, where it has 8 rules to get better at reading very long words. My basic English reading videos are good for people learning English. My reading boot camps are a series of 10-day programs for boosting reading. I also have boot camps for improving your vocabulary, spelling, and mental math.